Hi and welcome back. Today I'm sharing one of the most heartwarming stories ever written, The Gift of the Magi by Oliver Henry. It's tale of love sacrificed and the true spirit of giving. Stay tuned, you'll want to hear it. Meet Della and Jim, a young couple who are madly in love, but incredibly poor. It's Christmas Eve, and Della is desperate to buy Jim a perfect gift. She has only $1.87, barely enough for anything special. Then she gets an idea. Della has long beautiful hair, her pride and joy. She sells it for $20. With that money, she buys a stunning platinum chain for Jim's pocket watch, his most prized possession. Now here's a twist. Jim comes home and sees Della with her hair shot. He smiles but seems hesitant. Why? Because he sold his pocket watch to buy Della a set of gorgeous combs for her hair. They've both sacrificed their treasures for each other, making their gifts unusable. They laugh, realizing their love is far more valuable than any material gift. This story reminds us of selflessness and joy of giving, even in tough times. That's why Oliver Henry compares Jim and Della to the Magi, the wise man who brought gifts to baby Jesus. What is the most meaningful gift you have ever given or received? Share it in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video and happy holidays!